Alright, I ripped the phone book in half the shitty way. And I'm going to rip the smaller half of the phone book in half, I think. Oh, it's going to be very embarrassing if I can't.
Who got it? Yeah, almost there.
Ah, shit. This is not working out exactly how I wanted it to.
Not quite as dramatic.
About halfway there. Come on. Come on, you son of a...
Dear God. The horror.